The PPE required is a face shield, hot gloves, safety glasses, JSA tailboard, and FR shirt. To power the water system, plug in to a 120 AC power source, then flip on Q1 and Q4 while making sure all other Qs are flipped on.
To select a color, use the bit button on the front of the PLC to enter the bits. 0 is red, 1 is blue, 2 is yellow. When you select the desired color, press enter and use the up and down arrows to turn them on and off. To view the integers on the front of the PLC, push the INT button. This allows you to access the integers. Before you can run the water system, hook the hose up to the connection point and then make sure the hose is turned on.
To enter auto mode, turn the selector switch to auto and press the green start button. The system will fill the supply tank and begin heating the water to 25 degrees Celsius before filling the mixed tank.
While the supply tank heats, the system adds color to the mixed tank. After the mixed tank is done filling, it will mix it and then run it through the cooler. After it's done running through the cooler, it will add bleach for 4 minutes and then it will dispense baking soda. After the dispersal of the bleach and baking soda, the mixed tank will then mix and there will be a 7-minute timer to allow for the water to clear. The bleach and the wait timer can be seen on the PLC as integers 4 and 5. After the water is clear, it's pumped into the dump tank. The dump tank is then dumped into the sink.
After dumping the dump tank, there's a 15-second flush system. It will flush out any bleach, baking soda, or coloring that is still left in the water system.
At any time you would like, you can turn the selector switch to auto and hit the red stop button to exit auto mode. To enter manual mode, turn the selector switch to manual and press the green start button. To exit, turn the selector switch to manual and press the red stop button.
To power off, turn Q4 and Q1 off while leaving all the others remained on.